The Resistance was a small military force founded by Leia Organa as a response to fight the emerging First Order after the New Republic refused to take their threat seriously. And unlike the larger and better equipped Rebel Alliance, the Resistance avoided confrontation with the First Order as much as it could up until Starkiller Base destroyed the New Republic capital. Prior to that, however, Leia's military force mainly dealt with covert missions and intel gathering as a large share of its operations. This meant that a lot of downtime that the Resistance fighters got was likely in a recon ship that they were flying while acquiring information on the First Order's movements and dealings. The main base on Dakar also acted as a second home to many of the soldiers, where they forged very deep bonds with each other as comrades in arms. A few even fell in love with each other, with at least one couple literally getting married by Leia and having their wedding take place on the military base. The Resistance also partied whenever they accomplished major goals in their efforts, such as when they acquired Lor San Tekka from the First Order. Not much else is known about what they did in their free time, and will likely never know, as most of them are now dead after the Battle of Crate. Thanks for watching this video. Help support the channel by becoming a member on our Patreon page, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this one. And as always, may the Force be with you.